Everyone knows a firefighter's work is dangerous, but did you know cancer is the greatest threat to their safety? Every time firefighters answer a call, they increase their cancer risk as well as battling flames. Lethal cancer-causing toxins can be absorbed orally by inhalation or through the skin. The layers of the uniform fill with these substances, keeping the skin protected. The uniform is a firefighter's shield. But its layers can trap the toxins, and over time can threaten our heroes and those around them. How can we clean the uniform deep down and make sure it's an efficient shield against cancer? Electrolux Professional has performed lab tests and found a solution. A proven solution based on data that tells a story. With barrier solutions, uniforms are cleaned thoroughly with water. Soiled gear is loaded on one side and unloaded clean on the other for exceptional hygiene and safety. Washing uniforms like this after every job restores their capacity to protect and meets healthy firefighters' standards of hygiene. Barrier washing is the frontline safety procedure and is recommended after every use. Now the uniform is clean and the firefighter is protected. But can we make the leap to maximum decontamination and clean the inner membrane as well? Because toxins build up in the membrane over time, Electrolux Professional has gone the extra mile and found a way to remove these substances too. Liquid CO2 is the best technology to thoroughly clean the membrane, as our lab tests confirm. Electrolux Professional has performed lab tests on the different decontamination methods. Compliant with OECO-TEX EU and German GS Mark standards, the tests show that our barrier washers reduce contamination by 38%, compared with an average of 25% for ordinary washing. For even better results, liquid CO2 removes almost 80% of residual toxins. Getting deep inside where it dissolves dangerous particles. A complete decontamination process, recommended 3 to 4 times per year to protect our protectors deep down for the peace of mind they and their families deserve. Fire Brigade Laundry Solutions. Get to the heart of clean.